Ever felt stuck doing the same task again and again? Entering the same data into multiple systems? Manual entries slow you down. And double work? That's where productivity dies. Approvals take forever because everything depends on someone checking a file somewhere at some time. Then comes inventory, missing stock entries, numbers that don't match, and suddenly half your day is gone just searching for data that should already exist. And manual errors? One wrong figure and everything needs fixing again. Reports, calculations, decisions. By the time your reports are ready, the data is already outdated. But with ERPNext implemented by Stackerbee Technologies, everything changes. Automated entries, instant approvals, real-time inventory visibility, accurate data, zero errors. With Stackerbee Technologies, your ERPNext works smarter, faster, and cleaner, giving you control, clarity, and confidence in every decision. Stackerbee Technologies, transforming businesses with powerful ERPNext automation.